and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you an easy way how you could share one picture or multiple pictures from your Google Photos with your friends. To do that, if you have just one picture to share, there are different ways to make the selection. So you can either select 1, 2, 3. If you want to select a specific day, for example Saturday, I have here this date, so I will just click on the date to select all the pictures which has been taken in that date. Or if I want to select everything, I will just click to select the first photo, scroll down till the end of my pictures, and then press Shift and click with the button of the mouse to have all the pictures selected. Next step, this sharing option will be available. Click on it, and here you will choose the account with which you want to share all those pictures. I will select this contact. You can type a little message, and you can hint or press this blue button. Once done, you will see this little icon loading, and all the pictures will be shared with the contact which you have already chosen. You can see his name on the left corner. Once done, you can click on this arrow to go back to your Google Photos. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always write us a comment or send us an email. If you'd like to encourage us, you can always press like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.